Hello, everybody. We have a very special guest today, Mr. Sovandeb Chattopadhyay, one of the senior most leaders and one of the most important politicians in West Bengal, Minister for Agriculture and Parliamentary Affairs, one of the founding members of Trinamool Congress, the founding president of the Labour wing of Trinamool Congress, the first elected MLA of Trinamool Congress, and what many people outside Bengal don't know, an expert pugilist who, even till recently, was seen sparring in the ring. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, in the 2019 elections, the BJP pulled a bit of a surprise, winning an unprecedented 18 seats out of the 42. But the Trinamool hit back in 2021, practically sweeping the elections, and the BJP could only win just about 77 of the total assembly seats. But this time, sir, we're seeing that the ruling party is under a lot of pressure. It's several of its top ministers and leaders are behind bars. There is the central investigating agencies are probing into various alleged scams and other things. And most recently, there was the Sandesh Khali incident, which was a bit of an embarrassment for the ruling party, where women of the island complained prolonged harassment by the local leaders. Now, do you think this is the most difficult election that Trinamool is facing so far?
I see this like in another way, because the people of West Bengal is very much intelligent, well conversant about the political scenario in India, and they are. I can say that West Bengal is much culturally and intellectually much ahead of in many states. In this scenario, the people of West Bengal understand whatever it may be. There may be theft, there may be a lot of corruption, so many things. They also understand that in the corruption, who is called corrupted, if he joins in BJP, he becomes the honest man. This has been established widely in Maharashtra, in our state, in Assam, in so many states. Those who have been charged by the BJP that they are the corrupted persons, like 25, 26 popular personality in India, they have been taken back to BJP and they became good men, good people, honest men. So this has been understood by the people of West Bengal. Even after that, the people of West Bengal, they consider who is nearer to them, who can produce goods for them, who can give something to them. That has been well established that Mamata Banerjee is the only person who has given the people of West Bengal, the poor to the purest people, and all religion, caste, and everyone, they have benefited during the last 12 years. And they do understand that. So everything will be reflected. You see, there are number of guarantee given by Modi, Narendra Modi. All those are bogus, like 19 lakh rupees. Like all the people, those who are taken away money from the bank and flown away in other countries, they will be brought back in West Bengal. That was the guarantee. That was the flop. He said that he will give 2 crores of employment, employment to the young per year. That is also, he could not do that. So his guarantees are all bogus guarantees. And the guarantees are like in 2025, in 2039, these are the guarantees. People understand what is going on and what is the guarantee. And but Mamata Banerjee gives some guarantee, she fulfills that guarantee. Like she told that she will increase the Lokki Bhandar amount. She did it. Whatever guarantee she gives, she fulfills the guarantee. So people of West Bengal, like in our state, the income of the agricultural, not laborers, the farmers, has been increased by 3 times. When he said, Narendra Modi said, that within 5 years, he will increase the increase the I mean income of the farmers in India within 5 years. He could not do that. But you go through the Reserve Bank Handbook 2021, it is clearly written that the West Bengal has increased the income of the farmers by 3 times. Even ICAR, the government body of the central government of agriculture, which is the mother body of our department, they have also said that out of 20 big states, West Bengal income of the West Bengal farmers has gone to 2011%, 211%, 11%. So these are the results. We got Krishi Korman Award out of 7 years, 6 years. We got Scotch Award in everything. Whatever and Konasri and all other things internationally awarded schemes are there also. I can tell you that people of West Bengal understand. They are least bothered about who is behind the jail, inside the jail, or like Sandesh Khali. In the case of Sandesh Khali, Mamata Banerjee has taken up serious steps against those miscreants, and they are behind the bar. Now they are in the jail. So, and more than 100 people has given back their lands also. Instant action has been taken by Mamata Bandyopadhyay. But in Manipur, what do you see? The girl childs have been raped and they are parading nakedly on the streets. But my Prime Minister is least concerned about that. Even in Hathras, you have seen what happened. What is the torture on the girl child? So all these are what he is telling. People of West Bengal will understand, and that will be reflected in the coming election. I tell you.
So how do you think Trinamool will perform this time? Out of 42, can you give us a rough idea, like what you estimate, what your party estimates will get this time? I mean, will it get more than what it got in?
Well, you see whether they got 18 seats, no?
Yes.
This time.
In the 2019.
In 2024.
Yes.
You will not be able to cross half of that number.
So they will not even reach double figures, you're saying?
Yeah.
Now, apart from the welfare, there are the welfare schemes, etc., which you are saying will give Mamata Banerjee political dividend. Do you think CAA will also help in this particular election?
CAA has been backfired. CAA, the people of West Bengal, particularly in other states also, in Assam and other states also, it will backfire because the people are worried that the conditions is implied in apparently you cannot understand, but it is implied in the passport act. In the passport act, what is written in the CAA, that is very dangerous. Very dangerous. Most there it is clearly said that 31,000 people have already taken permission from the government of India to come inside in the Indian territory from Bangladesh. Only 31,000. Other than that, who will apply? He will himself confess that he is not an Indian. So this is the Mutua people and the people who has come from Bengal, recent Bengal, I mean West Bengal, they understood that this will be a massive massacre if they apply. So people are not applying.
Before the elections, I mean ahead of the elections, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was being perceived as one of the main opponents of Narendra Modi at the national level. But then her reluctance to be a part of the India alliance, because no understanding could be reached with the Congress and the CPIM in West Bengal, has kind of she's no longer so prominent in at the national level as she was before the elections. Do you think this aspect may backfire against the Trinamool?
We are not actually worried about it. In Kerala also, there is no alliance with the Congress. Where there is CPIM, there are the problems are still there. In Kerala, in West Bengal, in Tripura, where there is CPIM, there is the problem. If in the state, Congress has the CPIM, abuses Trinamool, how we can go for alliance? It is not possible for us to go for alliance. But in UP, we are contesting in one seat. In Assam, we are contesting in one seat. So alliance is all over India. Alliance is there. But in West Bengal particularly, where Trinamool is contesting, in Kerala we are not fighting, but in West Bengal we are contesting. There we know that CPM transformed their vote in 1919. They have given the vote in favor of BJP
in 2019.
2019. In this year, it will go in our favor because the vote will be divided BJP and CPM. So we think that out of this calculation, our seat will increase like anything.
The 2019, 2021, and now 2024. Three consecutive elections have been projected as Mamata Banerjee versus Narendra Modi. And let us say if BJP winning 18 seats was, that round went to Modi. Mamata sweeping the elections in 2021 went to Mamata. Now, in this very crucial third round, who do you think will prevail, and what do you think are the major issues that will decide for either Mamata or Modi?
Well, you see, there are so many things, issues. Like you see, election bond. People are quite convinced, at least urban people convinced, that this is a serious corruption. And husband of the finance minister of government of India, he has clearly said this is the biggest scam ever took place in India. So that has also been spread widely. Secondly, the guarantee as given by Narendra Modi, that has neither of them has been implemented. And what is telling? Say 2 crores of people given such and such, where 140 crore people, 2 crore people doesn't come under any percentage even in India, even in our country. So these are all bogus. That is not touching the heart of the people. But in West Bengal, all cross-section of the people like Muslim, Hindu, Christian, Sikh, all minorities, OBC, scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, every class of the people has been benefited by the different projects, social security projects by Mamata Chattopadhyay, and that will give us the benefit in the election. People will understand at the end of the day what we are getting from Mamata Chattopadhyay and what we are getting from Narendra Modi.
So you spoke of electoral bonds. Trinamool also was a beneficiary here. Though a very distant second, it was still nevertheless number 2 in the list. BJP was number 1, Trinamool was number 2. Can Trinamool really afford to point fingers as far as electoral bonds is concerned?
Of course, instantly, the 10 medicine producers has given the highest bond to Narendra Modi. And within a week or within 10 days, all those out of 7, out of 10, 7 medicine producing companies have been given benefit by increasing the prices of the medicines. 167 number of medicines that have been given benefit. But Mamata Chattopadhyay didn't give any benefit to anyone those who have given bond to us. That is the difference between Mamata Chattopadhyay and Narendra Modi. Narendra Modi takes huge money. You see, I give example. More than 30 people has gone away, gone abroad, taking money from the bank, huge money, starting from 13,500 crore and to up to 500 crore. Can you say one or two can fly away? How all these people, those who have taken money from the banks and they have not given back that, after years together, they have flown away abroad, one after another. That time BJP government was there. BJP government was there. Within the last 10 years, they have gone abroad. They have not taken into task or they have not been taken into custody. What was the benefit of, why this has been done? This has been done to take benefit from those dishonest business houses.
I'm going to ask you something a little sensitive about, that has been a sensitive issue with the party. The question of old versus new Trinamool. You are one of the senior most members of Trinamool Congress. You're one of the founding members of Trinamool Congress. Yet, differences at the highest level has come to the fore over the issue of the old giving way to the new. What is your opinion on this?
You see, this is nothing but a debate, a long debate in the political parties and everywhere. This is the debate. This is a prevailing debate in everywhere. In the society, in the clubs, in so many institutions, there is a debate why the young people have not come in the forefront. This is a debate. And it will continue also. It will continue, nothing new in it. This is not only in our party, in every party. Have you seen that in this year, CPIM has given chance to the youngers? And all the old politicians are taken back. This is a common psychology and debate prevailing in every party that do also prevailing in our party. It will not damage the party in any way. It will go like this. I am also an 80 plus man, but even I can walk more than a person who has not yet crossed 25 years. So it is not depending upon the age. Age is simply a number. Who can walk till in full swing, who can work, he will work. And in 25 years also, a young man become an old man. So it is depending upon the person to person, it will differ.
So, but on the one hand, sir, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee relies more on her old guard, those who came up down the path of struggle, while we get the impression that Abhishek Banerjee, who's looking to take the party to the future, wants to inject more and more new blood. Isn't there some kind of a conflict here?
No, this is not conflict. What I say, this is the common phenomena in everywhere. Common phenomena. Mamata Banerjee, the people of West Bengal, the mind of people of West Bengal, still Mamata Banerjee is the leader and most accepted leader by the people. Abhishek Banerjee has got that potentiality to come in the front and lead the party. As a General Secretary, All India General Secretary, can lead the party. In the Jano Jawar, Abhishek Banerjee has proved himself as an able leader, and the Panchayat election result has given a very serious effect for Abhishek's program. That we do agree. Everyone agree that. And once again, in this parliament election, he has come down with along with Mamata Bandyopadhyay. He is assisting Mamata Bandyopadhyay to combat the evil forces working in West Bengal, like BJP and other political parties. So to combat them, Mamata Banerjee, Abhishek Banerjee, and a full team like our team that will combat the situation. This time, Abhishek also has taken up sharing the responsibility of Mamata Banerjee in his shoulder.
Now you said you're 80 plus years old and you can still walk more than people less than half your age. Now, everybody knows in Bengal what an excellent boxer you were. There are prizes, there are medals, there are trophies. I've seen them myself. And even 5 years ago, I saw you sparring in the ring. At 80 plus, do you sometimes still get into the ring to go a few rounds?
No, you see, I was before 2 years also I was sparring in the ring, but now I stopped it because of doctor's advice. I got a spine injury. I got a spine injury that too also took place in the younger age. That time also doctor advised me to operate that. I didn't operate that. Still doctor is advising for operation, but I'm not going to going to operate with my spine. I'm doing exercise for 45 minutes every day in the morning. I try to keep myself fit, but it is very difficult to go for sparring. Boxing is a very tough game, and it is one-to-one contest. So I do exercise every day to keep myself fit, but I'm not go for sparring.
Do you still follow boxing?
Yeah.
Is there anything else you wish to say to us?
A new danger has come in front of us. That is not true only Bengal, that is true also throughout India. The democratic values have been totally snatched away. And in the last changes in the agricultural law, in the labor laws, in the IPC, CRPC, all those are anti-people, anti-labor, and draconian laws. Draconian laws. Government has taken some power in their hand that they can put anyone behind the custody by just stamping on his body that he is a, I mean to say, Deshodrohi. Deshodrohi means
Traitor.
traitor,
Anti-India.
anti-Indian,
Anti-national.
anti-national. He can be put behind the jail. That much of authority as they have taken in the parliament session and the last parliament session. We have strongly protested in our assembly also. So that is we are apprehending that if BJP comes once again, whether the democracy, whether the constitution, which is our safeguard, with our Supreme Court, which is our safeguard, the election commission that has been taken away. Chief Justice was there in the committee. He has replaced by only a minister of the cabinet. Election, if they win, the last protection of the people, Supreme Court and court of different states, high courts, I think that the powers of the court will also be snatched by these governments. So there is the huge danger coming on the people of India.
Mr. Sovandeb Chattopadhyay has spoken on a large number of issues, including a few sensitive ones relating to his own party. And now it remains to be seen whether his prophecy that the BJP will get less than half, or at least be reduced to half the number of seats it had won in 2019, will ultimately come true in West Bengal or not. Thank you.